What is good, guys? Hey, when you talk about stainless steels, so when you talk about chromium oxide, grades 304 versus grades 316, and limitations. So let's talk about grades first. Grades are like the chemical zip code that tell you exactly what is inside the metal and how it will behave. Okay? So 304, 316. First of all, let's talk about 200 series. These are like the economy series. They replace expensive nickel with manganese, and these are really non-magnetic and cheap. So they rust a lot much easier than the 300 series, but it makes the 200 series more common for outdoor furniture or decorative trim. So that's the economy series, 200 series. 300 series is more premium. These add a high amount of nickel, and they're not magnetic and offer the best all-around protection against rust and heat. So this family includes our 304, which is kitchen standard, and 316, which is marine grade with extra molybdenum. Sorry. The 400 series, these use chromium only. So this is the hard stuff. So there's little to no nickel here, but because there's the lack of nickel, it's really magnetic and could be hardened by heat. So making these really perfect for things that need to be sharp or tough, like knives and car exhaust parts. Even though they can rust, it's if left in damp places. The rest you might rarely see. 500 series is designed for extreme heat, and 600 series are super tough alloys hardened through special aging processes. So you get the idea how from 200 all the way up to like 600, it keeps getting stronger each time by the metal, like like from like cheaper metals to like things like nickel to chromium, things like that. So stainless steel stays shiny because it contains 10.5% chromium. And we know that chromium is good because when it reacts with oxygen, it forms a microscopic self-healing shield called chromium oxide, right? And this chromium oxide is like a protective skin that doesn't allow any water or moisture to go through, like a natural skin. And while the common grade 304 is perfect for kitchen appliances and indoor use, it can struggle when exposed to salt or harsh chemicals. So this is where the grade 316 steps in because it adds molybdenum, which is a recipe to survive marine environments and prevent pitting corrosion. However, stainless doesn't mean stain proof. So these metals can still rust if they are starved of oxygen or scrubbing with regular steel wool, which leaves behind iron particles that can ruin the protective layer. So no matter what grade you have, the best way to maintain like kitchen appliances, like your knives, is to wipe it down with simple soapy water and a soft cloth. Never use metal scrubbers as they can leave tiny bits of regular iron that will rot your shiny finish. So that is it for stainless steel. I'll see you guys in the next video.